Let's take a look at how easy it is to set up RentPress on your website. RentPress brings the data you're already using from these inventory management softwares, letting you display real-time pricing and availability right on your website. From our WordPress dashboard, we will search for and install RentPress. Once activated, you will see your sidebar populate with options for RentPress settings, properties, floor plans, and more. Let's visit the RentPress settings data sync page and add your license key and username. We'll save changes, and that will enable the sync properties option. You now have the opportunity to check out properties that have synced to your website and publish the ones you want to start with. In this case, just the one property. To see the property data on the front end, we provide two easy options: our included templates and customizable shortcodes. Let's take a look at both. I'll visit the Enable Templates settings, and in this case, I'll choose Floor Plan Single. And since I know I might want easy landing pages in the future, I'll go ahead and enable a few more. Click Save Settings, and then I can insert these files into my theme. Now, I'll create a new page and call it Floor Plans. I'll add a shortcode block and paste in the floor plan search shortcode. Publish that page, and now we can see the results. A simple grid of floor plans complete with options for shoppers to filter and sort. We'll click on one and take a look at our Floor Plan Single template. So this image is coming directly from the data feed, as are these units and their information. We've provided CTAs for shoppers to request info and to start an application. There's also options for shoppers to share this page with a potential roommate. As we scroll down the page, we see information from the property here, amenities, and even office hours, all kept in sync with the information from the data feed. Don't forget, you can edit the floor plan to provide additional information not necessarily provided from the feed, whether it's a leasing special, a virtual or video tour, or even an image gallery of your choice. Finally, know that the included templates are meant to match your website and its branding. We do our best to pick up fonts and colors, but take a visit to the appearance settings and make sure to set an accent color that fits with your brand, choose price types that fit your properties, and you can also set placeholder images for when those images aren't provided from the feed. And lastly, you can set default URLs to provide opportunities for shoppers to schedule a tour or to join your waitlist. That does it for a quick overview of RentPress setup, but there's so much more in store. For more information, visit rentpress.io.